hope for all I do. Jesus, you're the center of my joy. I'm Jacqueline.
Yay.
My name is Jacqueline McKell. It is spelled with an A. Frimmy with an E, not an I. On my birth certificate, I am 34 years old. I was born 1961. This is Blair, my son. He's born June 1st. He is, they won't tell it themselves. Go ahead.
I am 8 years old. I go to Stevenson Elementary. I'm in 2nd grade, and I'm turning 8 in June.
What's your favorite subject in school? Math?
My favorite subject in school is math and
reading.
That's enough. What's yours? Come on. Who are you?
So my name is Christopher John Gaston, and I'm 10 years old, older than my youngest cousin Ivan. which doesn't matter. I'm better, which is taller. And
What school you going to?
I go to Stevenson Elementary. I was born in
1986.
What? You don't remember?
This Christian Blair and I, we all lived with my parents when I came back from Virginia, and they helped raise Blair and Christopher, and they are still doing that to this very day. And Blair, Daddy always asks, where are the boys? These are his boys. They are always in school, while Mommy is always at Kenny's shoe store. Like, oh, Mom! And we love our grandmother, and we love our mother and our dad. And we're going to be there for them, right?
Right.
every day, every single moment, every single hour, but not every single day.
All right.